carbon neutral for a sustainable future. Energy saving for efficient production. KY is making a better tomorrow together. Pneumatic energy is the most expensive source of power. Analysis of energy use in industrial sites shows that air compressors consume more than 25% of the total energy cost. Since its foundation in 1959, KY has been specializing in air compressors and has a number of patents for air compressors, including a compressor system control method to save energy and a compressor control method with an inverter built in. Based on our experience in promoting numerous projects at home and abroad, KY specialists in pneumatic systems install customized operation control systems through operational status analysis and expected energy savings to provide the most suitable energy-saving solutions for the workplace. Oil-free compressor produces clean compressed air without oil and can be widely used in industrial applications such as food, pharmaceutical, semiconductor, printing, chemical, and precision painting. Belt-driven compressor with modular air end with latest 56 trillion profile. Direct drive compressor that drives motor and air end one-on-one without increasing gear. VSD variable speed compressor capable of responding to actual compressed air demand can reduce energy costs with optimal efficiency. We directly develop and produce various compressors needed in various industries in Korea to provide reliable quality and safety. Integrated control system to prevent unnecessary energy loss, which was a problem when operating multiple air compressors independently. Optimal operation control system for air compressors capable of controlling the optimal operation control system through information collected by the sensor attached to the facility. The operation processing of the flow rate computer enables the flow rate to be derived without a fluid correction factor and allows the user to control the desired energy. Air compressor data monitoring system that enables real-time transmission and collection of the state and information of the optimal operation control system and databasization. These AI-based control systems provide immediate confirmation and control to improve productivity, reduce maintenance costs, and minimize unnecessary energy consumption. Saving 15 to 35% energy compared to pre-installation. KY's own technology has been verified for its excellence in products and systems and has obtained various certificates such as Big Data Analysis, Monitoring System-related copyrights, Innovis registration, and ISO certificates. Based on this, we are realizing carbon neutrality and energy saving with various domestic and foreign companies. Starting with an agreement with East West Power to reduce greenhouse gas emissions for high-efficiency air compressors in 2022. It secured greenhouse gas energy reduction and carbon emission rights, and participated in the global net zero event to inform overseas of KY's excellent carbon reduction technology. KY's innovative technology has begun to spread beyond Korea and abroad. KY will take another step toward the world without stopping challenges and innovations. We will provide the best solution for environmentally conscious company. On the way to ESG, KY will take that first step together.